Good afternoon and welcome back to another Toolbox video, and in this video it's the 17th and final Halfords modular tray set. So I've finally done it. I've got all 17. Here's the last one, the 28 piece AF socket set, and this is for 3/8 drive. So I'll put you up on here and you can watch the unboxing. So again, we're stuck with a retractable knife, so get this cellophane wrapping off. So remember, dispose of your stuff responsibly. I have a bin bag which I put the non-recyclable stuff in. And as ever, remember to recycle where possible. Right, so pause for the thumbnail. And this is what it comes in. It comes in the various sockets. They're all 3/8 drive. You got quarter, 5/16. I won't go through them all. And in the normal depth, and then we've got the deep ones, which is quite handy. And we've also got a couple of spark plug sockets. So these will definitely come in useful if you're not working on a classic car, like an Austin or Morris or Triumph or a Rover. So just get this out and put this to a side for recycling. And then as ever, we just nick the tape on 3 sides. This seems to be fighting me a little. So, pull the tape off. So just pull as much of this tape off as I can, and I'm going to try to get every last bit off because it makes for a boring video. That'll do. Again, this can be recycled, so I'll put it aside for recycling. And here's our socket sets. So just grab one. It's just your normal chrome socket, Halfords Advanced with the measurement, or it's made of chrome. I think it's vanadium, or is it vanadium? I can't remember how it's pronounced. I'm sure somebody will correct me. And it's a 3/8 drive, so you've got your normal depth. Have you noticed a six-sided, which is quite handy, especially on cars as old as my Triumph Dolomite, where all the bolts are rusty. You get a better purchase, you less chance of rounding them off. And here we are, similar socket. We've got a deep one. Do actually have some deep imperial sockets, but this gives you more options. That was a 5/8, and again 6-sided. And then we have our 2 spark plug spanners. So this one's a 3/16, and this one is 5/8, again 6-sided. I don't know whether you can see there's a rubber inserts there, so when you get it in, it grabs the spark plug as you pull it out. Get this in right, there we go. So all it remains is to find a home for it in my tool chest, and do have space for it. So I'll just show you where I'm going to put it. Oops, wrong drawer. It's that 4th one down. It'll just complement the the imperial spanners quite nicely. And I might rearrange these so I've got all the sockets together and all the spanners together. So we now have the full house, all 17. So we've got 3 in there, 3 socket sets in the various sizes, 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive. Next drawer down, various socket sets, got the extension bar set, the bit set and the impact. So 3rd drawer down is all my spanners. We've got ratchet, combination and offset. 4th drawer down, we've got my flexi head ratchets, my imperial combination spanners and my imperial socket sets. And where are we up to? We've got four drawers, that's 12. This brings us up to 15. Adjustable spanners, screwdrivers and Allen keys, Torx and decks, and tin snip set. So that's 15, and the last 2, 16 and 17. We have the plier set with the grips, and this one, which has been discontinued by Halfords. You've got your 2 hammers, metric. Well, they're not metric. They're both feeler gauges, metric and imperial. Underneath this hammer, various chisels and punches. Well, that says that one's been discontinued by Halfords because you can't get it for love or money anywhere. I've been in a race with another YouTuber, goes by the name of Bloody's Garage, but he's actually split his channel. He's got various channels now, so all his tool stuff is in his Tall Guy reviews. So, Luke, if you're watching this, I declare myself the winner. I've beaten you. I've got all the Halfords tool sets, the modular tray sets, and you won't be able to get that one for love nor money, so I'm the winner anyway because I've got the lot. So that's the end of this particular video. So that is it for this particular video, and that's it for the Halfords modular tray sets because I've got the whole lot. So I don't know if I'll be doing any more toolbox videos. If I buy something, I'll make a video on it. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, subscribe, share and ring that bell for notifications when I have another video coming out. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.